So we've seen Bitcoin pull back roughly 13% as prices have fallen over the past week or so from 73K to 63K. And one of the biggest proxies to Bitcoin is MicroStrategy, as they have dipped as well. They reached a high of 1800 and fell as far as roughly 1230 and now trades at 1417. However, the pullback is not phasing Michael Saylor. He did what he has been doing for the past 3 years, and he took the opportunity to raise more cash to buy more Bitcoin. Let's check out this article. So MicroStrategy, the renowned business intelligence firm and self-proclaimed world's first Bitcoin development company, has once again made headlines with its latest move in the crypto space. On Monday, the company completed its previously announced offering of, just round off and say 1% convertible senior note due 2031, raising an aggregate principal amount of $604 million. So they are borrowing money at 1% to buy Bitcoin. That's a no-brainer based on the last several years and based on where Bitcoin is heading, especially with the spot Bitcoin ETFs going crazy, buying any and all Bitcoins available on exchanges. Now, the net proceeds from this offering, totaling approximately 592 million, were swiftly deployed by MicroStrategy in its ongoing business acquisition strategy. So they raised the money prior to the ending of last week, and they deployed and bought Bitcoin over the weekend. With a keen eye on boosting its already impressive Bitcoin reserves, MicroStrategy wasted no time using these funds to purchase additional Bitcoin. So again, they raised the money and deployed it right away. This acquisition further solidifies MicroStrategy's position as one of the largest corporate holders of Bitcoin in the world, with a total holdings of a little over 214,000 BTC. They own a little over 1% of all Bitcoin, and that percentage actually increased if you consider that roughly 2 to 5 million have been lost forever through the people losing their keys or hardware thrown in landfills, etc., etc. Now, MicroStrategy's aggressive Bitcoin acquisition strategy is part of its broader vision to position itself at the forefront of the digital asset revolution. The company views Bitcoin not only as a treasury reserve asset, but also as a strategic investment for long-term value creation. As Bitcoin continues to capture mainstream attention and adoption, MicroStrategy's unwavering commitment to the digital currency underscores its confidence in the future of decentralized finance. With each strategic acquisition, MicroStrategy reinforces its position as a dominant player in the evolving landscape of digital assets, setting the stage for continued growth and innovation in the years to come. All right, so where's price heading next? Well, why did price bounce off this $1,300 level? Well, if we zoom out to the weekly chart, you can see that was once upon a time all-time highs. You got to go back to February of 2021 to see price scream higher during the previous bull market, only to settle little under 100. Now, for those who thought big and loaded up, they're sitting handsomely right now despite the pullback. And that pullback was a great opportunity, a golden opportunity to get long, depending on how you want to get long. Now, if I scroll back down to the daily chart, what you can see, you have this rallying price, basing candle and a rally out, right? Taking out the pivot high, but also the previous all-time highs. And so we have here another weekly buy level, which worked out great at about, we'll say, 1250. Now, could price revisit this level? Most certainly. Could price go down? Most certainly. This level did what it was supposed to do, at least cause a reaction to price. Typically, we see prior to having Bitcoin pull back roughly 40%, and so we can see Bitcoin get down to 56,000, And we could see MicroStrategy price start go down to the next level, which would be $1,000 around hold psychological number, and that would be also a great opportunity to go long. But let's see what happens into Wednesday and the rest of the week. But be sure I will report back if they go ham once again and buy more Bitcoin. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.